Hello, hello. How's everyone doing in crypto land? Alrighty, well, you can see I'm back on the ProBit Global app because I found out that they do grid trading with a bot that auto trades for you. So I've been messing around with it for the last few days, tweaking it to how I like it, and so I'm going to show you go over some of that stuff here. So I was trading also with Robinhood and Cash App. Okay, so at Cash App, I sold everything I had on that. I broke even, put everything back in my bank account. Robinhood, I sold that, um, uh, down 250 bucks on Robinhood. Cashed that out, put everything in my bank account, put everything back on ProBit, and was doing manual trading. And then after a while, I found out about the grid trading, so I started doing that too. All right, so let's see here. All right, so you can see here, hold on, let's try and get this thing. Grid trading with Bit Universe. Yeah, I don't know why to do that. Okay, so Bit Universe is another free app. You have to sync both your ProBit account with Bit Universe with APIs. If you're on ProBit, you just click on this grid trading box here. It says Bit Universe on top, and it gives you instructions on how to set it up. So no time at all, a few minutes, and you're good to go. All right, and now, oh yeah, also let's get back to Robinhood. Robinhood, very disappointed in you. So I deleted your app. Delete Robinhood. All right, enough rant. Okay, so all in all, I'm down because BTC is taking a crap right now. Bitcoin is taking a crap. All right, so I was trading some different altcoins, um, and then Ethereum starts. Then I was doing Ethereum as well. They start screwing up, um, and so I just doing everything with Bitcoin. Okay, so this is down. You see Bitcoin here. I got 0.018 Bitcoin, 882 bucks. Yeah, so Bitcoin is taking a little crap right now. Yeah, so right now you can see it's down to 47,440. So the Bitcoin that I'm holding, the 0.018. So let's go back to the exchange, Bitcoin. All right, so we go to sell. We sell at that price at 100% is 883. If I were to sell it right now, it would be 883 bucks, but we don't want to do that. So my break even is 52,000. So I'm almost down 100 bucks. If it goes down a little more, it'll be 100 bucks. So it's probably, what did I say it is now? 881 and 967. So that's what, 80 something bucks? I'm just rounding off the top of my head. All right, so we're not doing that, but that's the difference of the price drop. Yeah, so see, it's now down a little further. So, and before I get to Bit Universe, oh, we want to watch this some more. Hold on, let's watch this some more. Yeah, the 1 minute chart. Yeah, look at that. Wow, crazy, crazy. Where are we here now? The 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart. Okay. Order books, so you can see here, what's you got here. People still trying to sell at a high. Anything big on the bottom. We have a everybody's buying in on the lows, buying in. Everybody wants to buy in. That's why the order book is going all over the place. Big chunks of the sales are at 43, 47.3. Not much big chunk. Oh, like 0.2, 0.3, I guess. But yeah. So I stopped the bot. I stopped my trade in bot because I don't want it to have it. So it will when up here where it says right up here when I put the crosshairs, the bot stopped automatically because it noticed was a sudden drop. But then when I noticed this was dropping, I stopped it before it stopped automatically because I don't want it to be keep trying to trade and then I got different scrap Bitcoin, down here trying to make a profit. So I just stopped it. And when Bitcoin settles, I'll start it again. Yeah, it's going down even more. Okay. So, all right. Let me switch over to Bit Universe, and I can show you some of the trades there and how that grid trading works. All right, let's get that going here. All right, so Bit Universe. All right, so we go down to the trade button right here in the bottom middle, trade. All right, so we have Bitcoin. It says bot, home, manual trading, bot. All right, so we're in the bot stuff. So Bitcoin's coming down now. It's 46,009. All right, so it says my bots over here and all. So I don't have any, right? But I can look at the history orders over here. All right, so we can look at that was the most recent one. The top one was the most recent one I just canceled before it started going down a second time today. This one was running for a couple days, almost a day and a half without that one too. Was that okay? So see here, the bot has been stopped. All right, so I invested 953. Grid profit was $3.18. So let me show you my parameters here. All right, so BTC fluent and then bullish. USD I'm trading. My high price was 75,000. My low price was 40,000 on. And I started at 48. So I set these parameters between 40,000 75,000, and I chose between 75 grids. Max was 99 and 2 was the least amount. So with 75 grids, my BTC quantity per grid was 0.0027, and my profit was 0.85% profit per grid. All right. I did not specify a close. I did not do a stop loss. I do not a trigger price. Okay, because I'm not going to set it and forget it because sometimes it stops by itself for no reason and I hate these notifications. Anyways, all right, get back to. So now it says, so yes, those 75 grids between 40 and 75,000. All right, so what are the grids I was trading was $3.18 per grid profit. My annualized income, my APY, if this kept running for a year the way it's been running, I would increase my total investment of 953 by 143%, 133%, sorry, 133% annualized return. Right on top of that. Okay. All right, so here's some of the stuff that the grid, notifications, I tell you. Anyways, so these are all the transactions. So these are some of the points that these are the buy orders that they put in, but it never got filled. right? If it got filled, it was says to be sold. Like here, like see these got it got stopped by itself. It says stopped, not sold. So this way it got filled. Well, up here it says sell, bought will be the bought BTC will be sold when the price increases. Right. Well, that didn't happen because it took a crap earlier today. All right. So what you're seeing here, it bought $13.22 worth of BTC and sold it for $13. This was the bottom of the grid. That's the top of the grid. $13.35, and I made 10 cents profit. You can say, oh, 10 cents profit, but is micro trading is like scalping the forex, right? If you're familiar with scalping on forex, I've never done it, but I've seen videos of it, so that's kind of what it is. It just, instead of using your old $1,000 in each trade, they divide it up among the grids and then you put how much BTC you want per grid to be traded at a time. And then when the market goes up, it auto sells, auto buys, auto sells, auto buys, auto sells, and then when it takes a dip, if it takes a fast enough dip, it will just stop the bot. If it just dips down, usually it dips down, throughout the day, like that, and it'll wait until it stops, buy it low, and then we'll go do the grid trading on the way back up again. So that's okay. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 maybe. Third kind of pretty fast. 13, 14 small transactions for $3.18 grid profit. Okay. It says 56 transactions because they put in a lot of buy orders at different prices. So when it dips, it automatically buys. You know what I mean? So here's another one here. So I was trying to this was 80 grids. It's 35 transactions. I bumped it up to 45,000 and so 75,000. All right, so this is when we start losing because I stopped it when we was going down. All right, so about my annualized income for this one was 165%, and then my grid profit at the time was 45 cents. So it didn't. I had just started this like an hour or so before. So I did like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 transactions. 7 transactions for 45 cents profit. See, all right, yeah. It bought 1248 worth of BTC, sold the Bitcoin, sold the see the sell fee. Oh, that's the sell fee. Okay, and then that's how much I pay per transaction. All right, so this is profit after fees are deducted. Okay, so now when I see this stop not sold, it it bought the Bitcoin but it didn't sell it because it got stopped. So now that's why I'm holding so much of the Bitcoin at these prices. So to sell, so my break even is at 52,000. When it goes up to 52,000, if I sell it all, then I still make a profit on the small ones, on the lower ones. I might just do that just so I can have a clean trading slate again. All right, so that's pretty much for Bit Universe and grid trading. I mean, if you want to know more about grid trading, you can just check it up on YouTube or something like that. All right, full candle. Yeah, it's coming down. There might be a little bit more resistance down here. Down here a little bit more. I don't have the prices on that, but anyhow, let's see here. This is a pretty good feature. It says no whales transactions. A whale is people with, say, millionaires with money. They come and do a pump and dump, and then everybody sells off, and that's probably what created that thing. Okay, so this is the order books. A lot of people are buying up, taking advantage of the dips, I guess. I mean, don't blame them. This is depths of the trade. They're almost even. More buying than selling right now. People are holding and holding. Oh, this is me. All right, so I'm holding. That's what I'm holding. 0.018. That's how much I'm holding. I should make a note of that too, because whenever Bitcoin settles down, I might just start a bot again. So I need to make a note of that how much Bitcoin I have. So when it gets to 52,000, I can only sell. I'll just sell off that much Bitcoin from the previous couple bot trades. I just like to keep things organized. Yeah. All right. So that's pretty much that. I don't think there's anything else going on. I don't think there's anything else. Oh, this is interesting here. Okay, my pie chart sorted by coins, BTC and USD. Well, yeah, the cash I have on hand. It says 0.02 other. That's the Ethereum that the only way I can get a zeros is to transfer that to Bitcoin. I mean, transfer that to the Coinbase. I'm not too worried about it because it's not even a penny worth of Ethereum. Oh yeah, you can see the Ethereum I have here. Oh, 1 penny. Oh, whoop-de-doo. That won't even cover the transfer fees. Hey, okay, okay. All right, guys, take it easy and get that crypto. And thanks for supporting the channel. You go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, and like the video. Have an awesome day. Ciao.